What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We got a 1 minute Nike Jordan 3 Unite. Comes in this weird new box. I don't know if it's just for the All-Star, but Unite written all over the paper. And we got a Jordan 3, which, you know, can't go wrong. We see on this pair, it comes all red, which I like. The game is in Chicago, so we get a little bit more Chicago red than a normal Jordan 3 would have. You know, we've got the cement 3s. This is kind of like flipping them upside down with all red. I like the gray, I like the red. I think it might be a little too much, but this is, I can't really say a little too much coming from a guy with tons of red Jordans. So I like them. I love the material. $200 though, increased price point. Think they'll be fairly easy to cop, so if you want to cop, you should. If you need help, hit me up. The website in the description. Go cop one of the new sweatshirts. Mark Hicks, we in it.